In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Clash Royale in your PC. So the first thing you gotta do is go to Google and search Google Play Games PC. Click on the first result or simply click on the link in my video description. Once you're on this page, click on Get Started on PC and then it's gonna download a file. Once you're done downloading the file, simply click on it and it's gonna look something like this. Choose your directory and click on Install. Once it's done installing, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. After that, just accept the terms and condition. And after that, it's gonna look something like this. From here, click on the search bar and search Clash Royale and install it. Once you're done downloading and installing Clash Royale, you can click on Library on the left-hand side. And from here, you'll be able to find the game you installed and play it from there. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.